So in this video I want to talk about the equivalent resistor for the series circuit. Let's do some examples. Find the equivalent resistance in each of these cases. Part A, saying that a 12 ohm, 25 ohm and a 42 ohm resistor are connected in series. So RS will be equal to 12 plus 25 plus 42. So it will be 79 ohm. Part B, two 30 ohm light bulbs and two 20 heating elements are connected in series. What's the equivalent resistance? So if you have two 30 and two 20, so it's going to be 60 plus 40, which is going to be equal to 100 ohm. Part C, two strings of Christmas tree lights are connected in series. The first string has 8 4 ohm bulbs in series and second has 12 3 bulbs in series. So the total resistance, the equivalent resistance, is going to be 8 times 4, which is 32, and 12 times 3, which is 36. So 36 plus 32 is going to be equal to 68 ohms.